Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews and Infinity of Nashua. Today we have the 2019 Infiniti QX60 Limited. These are extremely rare. I remember the day this came in as a trade-in, I appraised this car and I said I had seen one before in my life, and it was at the New York Auto Show. Have your limited badge. I do have the original window sticker inside, and you can see just how loaded out this one is. Theater pack, dual sunroof, heated seats in the rear. Look at this quilted leather. Absolutely gorgeous. Exterior color is known as Deep Bordeaux. Over a stone interior. So here we go. I will say average spec on a QX60 is around $52,000. This one's $66,270. This is the most expensive QX60 you could get. Limited package, that's $5,000. Sensory pack is $3,500. Proactive, $3,400. Theater pack, $2,100. Essential pack, $2,900. Premium paint and splash guards. This thing is loaded. Your limited pack comes with a different airbag cover. I mean, this thing is probably the most beautiful previous gen QX60 there was. Ventilated seats, heated seats, 360 camera. But let's go for a drive in this QX60. So, obviously, the new QX60 has launched. I have driven it. I have two videos, a Pure and a Lux, both on my channel. Driven both of those, absolutely loved it. But I saw the autograph that are stickering around $68,000. I said, wow, that's a huge hike in price. I forgot about these. This one's $66,000. So in reality, for an autograph versus a limited, you're looking the same money, and you're getting essentially the same features between the two of them. But I still remember the day this came in as a trade-in, we were all like, you never see these. You never do. I was the appraiser on this car, and you sit there and you're like, all right, what do you put on it? You know, because according to Carfax and all them, it's a normal QX60 until you add in all the features. They changed that on the new QX60, where they now have trim levels instead of packages, so you have a sensory trim level instead of a Lux with sensory pack, which definitely makes my job a bit easier. But with these QX60s, when you start looking out on the market, really be aware of what options they have, because this one could show up as a normal Lux or a base, and you would have no clue until you looked at the options. That's why I have to pull the sticker on all Infinitis that I appraise. I pull up the window sticker through our dealer network system, and I'm able to see what options it has, because they do affect the value 100%. This generation had the 3.5 liter V6, made it to the CVT transmission. Of course, that's now changed. It's the same 3.5, but it's now made it to a 9-speed. But this CVT is pretty good, honestly, pretty reliable based on what I've seen. I mean, yeah, you'll have some outliers, but other than that, it's pretty good. Turn off my heated seat. What a machine, guys. I love this car. I was very, very excited when we got this in. Of course, you do have radar, cruise, and all those fun features. I mean, what is there not to love? Honestly, let me tell you right here, right now, being the inventory manager and seeing this car, appraising it, watching it go through the process and then driving it again, it is so cool. Honestly, that's one of my favorite parts about this job, is seeing a car go through the process. And then when I see a customer buy it, you know, I'm happy. I'm happy for them, and I'm almost kind of sad to see the car go. But I'm happy for the customer, knowing, you know, we sold it on to them. It's a great car. It's just so cool to go through that process. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.